Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, so today we'll be showing you the most potent and highly effective Moringa hair growth oil. Now if you're not ready for extreme growth, go ahead and turn off this video. This video is for those that are ready to see your hair thicker than it's ever been, and it's just 2 ingredients. Now if you're still here, let's go ahead and begin. Rosemary and Moringa have been our 2 favorite herbs lately, so it was a no-brainer that we decided to make a growth oil out of it. This time we decided to add in the Indian powerhouse Neem. We decided to make a no-fluff recipe with just these 3 powerhouse herbs in the most potent way. We began using this oil from July, and when I tell you guys, the thickness has been insane. Now for the first step, we'll be adding all our ingredients into a clean jar. The first ingredient we'll be using in this recipe is none other than Moringa powder. We'll be using 1 heaped tablespoon of Moringa powder. The second ingredient we'll be using is neem powder. We'll be using just 1 tablespoon of neem powder. Now the third ingredient we'll be using in this recipe is dried rosemary leaves. We'll be using 1 heaped tablespoon of rosemary leaves. And lastly, we'll be adding in our extra virgin olive oil. We'll be using 150 ml of olive oil. Now be careful, this rosemary and moringa hair oil is really potent, but adding neem just takes it to the next level. Go on to mix the oil using a tablespoon. Mix it in thoroughly before you go on to double boil it. Now it's time to double boil. Gently place the mixture into a boiling pot of water on low heat. Occasionally mix it in for a better infusion. Allow it to boil for 15 minutes, then switch it off. Now it's time to strain. Once cooled down, it's time to strain your mixture using a wig cap or a cheesecloth. Pour the mixture gently through a wig cap and then strain it. Now for storage. Transfer your oil into a clean bottle for use. Now you have your potent Moringa, Rosemary and Neem hair growth oil. How to use this oil. You can use this oil every 2 to 3 days by gently massaging it onto your scalp and massage it in thoroughly, taking your time. You can also pair this oil with Moringa water for your moisturize and seal routine like we do sometimes. This hair oil is perfect to enhance growth and thickness, but it's also great for treating scalp issues. It stops hair breakage, it treats alopecia, it treats baldness, it helps regrow any of those stubborn bald patches and thinning edges, and it also heals your scalp. Now you need just 3 ingredients to make this hair oil, so there's no excuse not to try it out. It's super simple, easy, and it gives lasting results. Guys, if you made it to the end, you're a real one. Kindly let us know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. It's one of our easiest recipes but highly recommended. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye!